Welcome to the homepage of the Young Challengers Program 2023. On this platform, you will find everything you need to successfully complete your Young Challengers journey. Let's get into the details of the many functions and possibilities of this platform. If you want to be the best Young Challenger ever, make sure you know how to use it. There are 6 homepage buttons. Under Sessions, you'll see all the workshops and tutorials in one place. If you click on each session, you'll find the date, the time, the meeting link, the pre-read material, and all other related information about the meeting. On the left side of the screen, you can find the time preferences. You can set them according to your time zone. If you bookmark your sessions, you can find them under the Personal Planner button. Under the Meet the Challengers button, you'll be able to connect with your fellow Young Challengers, chat with them, and have networking sessions. Under the Community Chat button, you'll find your own social media for the program. You can post whatever is in your mind, adding pictures, comments, and reactions. All updates and development challenges from the Grameen Creative Lab will be posted here. Make sure you check this chat regularly so that you don't miss any update from us. Under the Mentors button, you can get to know all the YCP 2023 mentors. You can send them connection requests, schedule meetings, and chat with them. It is very much like the Meet the Challengers button. If you click on the Contact Us button, you'll find the Grameen Creative Lab booth. If you click again, you can write to us directly and ask us any question you may have. Under the Personal Planner button, you'll see 5 sections. In the My Schedule section, you'll see all the bookmarked workshops and tutorials. In the My Meetings section, you'll find all the meetings you scheduled personally. In the My Networking section, you'll find all the people you've been connected with. In the Explore Event section, you'll see all the best AI matches for you based on your use of the platform. In the My Saved Videos section, you'll see all the videos you saved from the sessions. These are the functionalities of the 6 buttons in our YCP 2023 platform. Keep an eye out for the engagement plan, which will be revealed in the platform soon.